heavy.
Walk the plank.
I'm Captain Jack Sparrow.
Welcome back to today's video. First, I'm going to start by putting my hair back and doing a very bad job at it, obviously. Now I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and prime both of my eyelids. It would be a little weird to just do one, so I thought I'd do both, you know. So I'm going to put that on, I'd say quite generously, and then blend it out. Now I'm going to, of course, go in and set that, but I just didn't show you because, you know, you already know. Now I'm going to go into the Prism palette from Anastasia and take that amazingly rich brown shade and apply this to the outer portion of my crease. Jack Sparrow is mainly just black eyeliner wrapped heavily around his eyes, but I wanted to do obviously a glam version, so I thought I would add some depth into it by putting brown first and then put in the black. So now I'm going to go into the black in the palette and put this all over my eyelids. Not really, I was a little shook by the blackness. I'm just going to put this all over and then go back in and blend the two colors together. Now I'm going to move on to face. That's literally it for the eyes for now, obviously. I'm going to prime my face and then apply a Wet n Wild foundation and just blend this bad boy in. Now I'm going to do concealer, obviously, and apply this to my under eyes. I looked a little wonky because obviously when I'm rocking like super dark eyeshadow like this and you have a full face foundation on, it looks a little strange. So I'm going to blend that out, and I'm not really cleaning up the edges with the concealer like I usually would, but I am going to set that and then bronze / contour my face. I really did go ham sandwich here because Johnny Depp has very nice bone structure and I can't relate, so I'm just going to try and mimic his face shape the best I can, and then I am just going to keep going back in until I'm happy with it. Now what I'm going to do is move on to cleaning it up because it got a little messy. So I'm just going to take some powder and clean up underneath that bronzer / contour. Now I decide to add a shimmery bronzer over top so that it looked like I was in the Caribbean, you know? Obviously I'm not, but you know, whatever. Now I'm going to apply 2 MAC blushes, and they worked. It was a little, you definitely don't need to go in with 2 blushes. Just add a more natural shade on your face. Now I am going to kind of blend out that under eye because I thought it was a little too bright compared to the rest of my face. So I'm kind of just tapping that powder in until I'm somewhat happy with the blend. And also I am going to do that with the translucent powder as well because I don't want that to sit there for the end result. I did clean up my nose a little too with translucent powder. I just didn't feel like you really needed to see all that deal, you know? Now I am going to do brows, and I went with a very, very full brow because I feel like a pirate, you know, they don't really see tweezers too much in their lifetime, so I thought I would go with a little bit of a fuller brow. I did go in and highlight my brow bone, and then I did blend, of course. Now I'm taking a black liner and applying this to my waterline, and then pretty much going in with the exact same shades that I used in my crease on my lower lash line and smoking this out till pretty much it's on my jaw, you know, because you gotta just go for it. Now I'm applying a Urban Decay glitter liner, and I was gonna put it just on the center, but I decided to go all the way and put it all over my eyelid, and I'm really happy that I did that. Now, of course, because we are glamorous, I'm going to apply some lashes. These are from Lily Lashes, I believe, and then I'm going to highlight. And I wasn't quite feeling the Anastasia highlighters for this look, so I decided to go with some Violet Voss because they can make you look lit in the worst of, darkest of times, you know. So I'm going to put that on and then apply a e.l.f. lipstick. I don't think they own this or sell this anymore because it's really old, but any neutral shade of lipstick will work. And then I wanted to draw the little X on on my face that Captain Jack Sparrow has, so I just did that with a brown eyeliner. And I didn't show you, but I did go in and I shaded around that as well to make it look a little more real. Now I'm applying this super intense necklace, and bam, I'm teasing the hair, and we are all finished. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry for the dramatic intro, but you know, I'm Captain Jack Sparrow. I gotta do it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one.